All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol XXII, currently traded at $1.35. This is another one that I thought we've went through before, and evidently it's not. But this one was requested for us to take a look at. Currently traded, again, like I said, $1.35 on the volume right now of currently 95,000 shares. The last 20 days average 798,000 shares. Beautiful move up here over here on April 6th. Finally got through that $1.30, which has now become a major support line for this one. Followed by $1.25 underneath that, but I think that $1.30 is going to be more stable. Resistance levels up here as well, about $1.48, but we're going to call it $1.50. If you look here, hit that $1.48, $1.50, but it seems that there's been more taps on the $1.48 than 50. Following up over here with the resistance line that we're going to have, $1.36 and $1.38, $1.37. We're going to call that $1.38 with that, which is going to be the top at the 20-day simple moving average. Now with them all spinning together, 20, 10, and 30. $1.38 right there. Break through that. I would be watching for the break of $1.48. You guys break through $1.48, more than likely we'll have a rally off of there. Coming off that support line at $1.30. $1.30 will continue to need to hold here as well. Looking at the low. Again, the low, $1.30. Look at how many times this thing has tapped at $1.30 back over here. Just multiple times, 6 times in a row. It's actually more, almost 7. So quite a few, not including over here or here either. XXII will hand this one off to Joe and see what he can add into this one.
All right, so these guys are on the New York Stock Exchange market as well. And let's see, their latest press release was on May 9th, and it was 22nd Century raises 2017 revenue projection to 16 million, another record year. So let's see, 22nd Century Group Incorporated is a plant biotechnology company, and they announced on May 9th that the company's wholly owned subsidiary NASCO Products recently entered into a substantial new manufacturing agreements for the production of filtered cigars and other tobacco products. The products to be manufactured by 22nd Century as a result of these executed new contracts are currently supplied to more than 250 distributors and wholesalers and more than 40,000 retail stores across the United States. The states that in order to accommodate this sizable increase in business, 22nd Century has already hired 37 new employees, more than double in its workforce at the company's NASCO factory in Mocksville, North Carolina. When combined with existing businesses, 22nd Century is raising its 2017 total revenue projections from previously announced 12 million to more than 16 million. In 2018, 22nd Century anticipates total revenues will significantly exceed 20 million, and the company's factory will be cash flow positive. So the statement from the CEO states, our manufacturing facility is a vital strategic asset for 22nd Century Group, explained Henry Sicignano, which I'm sorry if I butchered your name, sir, President and Chief Executive Officer at 22nd Century. The factory enables 22nd Century to develop and manufacture the company's Spectrum government research cigarettes and our X22 smoking cessation cigarettes in development. And 22nd Century's proprietary MRTB candidates, brand A very low nicotine cigarettes and brand B low tar to nicotine ratio cigarettes. Now considering the newly signed contract manufacturing agreements, our NASCO production facility will also contribute positively to 22nd Century's bottom line. So, I mean, it goes on. Well, it basically just tells you what the company does, which I pretty much already did. All right, this is obviously, if you want to continue doing more due diligence on this company, go right over to the XXII board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have used in Investors Hangout daily by posting right over there on that board.
That's right. Over here, time and sales, that's what I'm looking at. All this stuff at your fingertips, completely free. All the data as well. XXII, like I said over here in the chart, $1.35 resistance is going to be at that $1.38.48. Support at $1.30 is a must hold. A break of $1.38 would be bullish. Bullish move breaking through that 20 and 30. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate that very much. And share this video with all other investors as well. That'd be great. you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.